Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to draw pixel art in Procreate 5. If you don't have pixel brush, then check a link in the top right corner.
We need to start with creating a canvas. I choose 280 by 280 pixels. I prefer working on square canvas, that's why that was my choice, but you can choose any other, but please remember to have even numbers. For this tutorial I choose to create a screenshot from just an imaginary game, and I start with creating a grid for my tiles, and I choose 60 by 60 pixels since that gives a good amount of details but not overwhelming. Hence I'm creating tile by tile, which will be necessary to build the environment I want to achieve. With the tiles that will be treated as a let's say repeated pattern, like for example horizontal lines of the ground, I try to make sure that the pattern on the tile is not bothering me. Otherwise it wouldn't be pleasure to look at it. So if it's necessary, I change the main tile and then again put next to each other and check if there's something that it's not right. As you see on the video, I did it few times with the top ground tile and with the deeper ground. Another good thing to check whether our thing in pixel art looks good or not is by zooming out. You can see that in the video that I'm zooming in and out very often, because usually when we see the pixel art we have it like a general view. We don't check each and every part very like zoom in. So basically our brain reads a general overview of the thing, of a shape, but not the single dots. So sometimes something may look awful when we have zoom in and we see closely, but when you just zoom out, then well, it looks great. So that's the thing, to check whether what we draw is pleasure for the eye or not. The best is to just check by this simple gesture to check how it looks from the distance. You can see that above the area I work on, I store my tiles. They are on separate layers, so I can just duplicate them and use wherever I want. And then if I would like to use those tiles for creating a game or any other like pixel art, I can just duplicate the canvas and use it in another art. When it comes to the clouds, there are many different ways you can draw the clouds. I prefer this one to draw a silhouette of a cloud and then use darker colors to put shadows on it and make it more three-dimensional. The same is with the items in the pixel art. You can just check what works for you. I was drawing this coin in few different ways with few different colors and highlights, and I realized that I prefer no outline. The most challenging thing I found in pixel art is how to create something with almost no details. Like, you have to think about shapes, not the details. And that's what's helping me. Of course, I'm still learning how to do it. But that's the way I try. And here we are proceeding to the character drawing. And as you see, also with other things, I prefer to start with the silhouette. That works the best for me, because then I have general view what I want to achieve and not messing up with the colors. But then I just turn on the alpha log and draw within the area I already created. Here we are, we finished our piece. But how to export it to be web friendly? Well, we need to duplicate our canvas. That's for a backup. Then open one of them, go to the branch icon, crop and resize. Then we need to multiply our resolution of a canvas. I prefer to just add zeros to my resolution. Then when we have the canvas cropped, we go to layers and swipe right each and every layer you want to fit the canvas. Since we have a backup, you can of course merge the layers and then just use one layer for it. I prefer to use several layers. The layer selected, tap the arrow icon, and please remember your interpolation should be to the nearest neighbor. With magneting on, your corners will snap to the corners of the canvas. Then share with the world what you created. I hope you enjoyed the video and the tutorial was helpful to you. If you created something and want me to see it, make sure you use hashtag and you tag me under the picture, the information you have down below. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to use animation feature to animate your pixel art. Hope to see you soon. Bye!